If you want to know how to set up your trading account so that way you're approved for options, have all the best indicators and the best layout, well, I'm here to help. So let's take a look at how to get approved for options trading on Webull. By the way, this is not sponsored by Webull or anything else. I just use this personally, and yeah, that's it. So I will have a link down below in the description of the Webull referral link, which gives you free stocks. I don't know how many it is. It might be 6, might be 5, but basically if you click the link and register, you get free stock. So once you've signed up, you want to be approved for options, and this is how you do it. This is very important because if you don't click the right buttons, you can get denied, which is just not ideal, obviously, because you want to trade options. So this is how you do it. You click on menu, click on your settings, and then click manage brokerage account. You're gonna see the option trading level. Click on that. Hello, load. All right, and it's gonna bring you to this page right here. So of course I already applied for options myself, but if I click reapply for options, it's gonna have the same menu as you would applying the first time. So let's do this. Blah blah blah. Okay, yep, totally ready. Okay, so right here, your employment status doesn't really matter. Just click whatever, it's not gonna affect you at all. But now here, for the financial profile, it gives you a massive range, and once again, it doesn't really matter. You can select the lowest one or the highest one. It honestly doesn't matter, it's not gonna affect you at all. Same thing for your net worth, just pick whatever. And now for the total value of your cash and liquid investments, again, just kind of pick one. This setting, once again, doesn't really matter, so you're good. And now lastly, for the source of income, this one, again, just click savings or personal income if you want, or whatever your source of income is. And now this is where it actually gets important. Okay, so pay attention. For the desired option trading level, you're gonna want to click level 2. That's gonna give you all the charts and all the data and basically more advanced stuff that you will need for options trading. Okay, so click level 2 for that one. Now for the overall option investment Now for the overall option investment objective, this is pretty important. You're gonna want to click speculation, and you can click other things if you want. Honestly, you can click all of them, but make sure you have speculation in there because options can be kind of speculative. So, you know, click that. So that way Webull knows that you're okay with speculation. And now once again, this is very important. For the experience, you want to click good or extensive. If you click moderate or none, well, Webull's gonna think, oh, you know nothing, then we're not gonna approve you for options because it can be risky and you're gonna lose all your money, right? So you don't want that. Click good or extensive, and then, whoa, almost dropped my phone. And then you should be good to go. So now be careful here because for the option investment experience, you cannot select 3 to 5 years or 5+ years if you just made your account and you're only 18 or 19. Because obviously, if you're 18, you made your account less than a year ago. So there's no chance of you having 5+ years experience or over 3 years of experience if you just made your account, okay? So for that, just click less than a year and you're gonna be good. Don't worry. So for the risk tolerance, again, this is very important. Don't mess this up. Do not click 0 or moderate because, well, as mentioned like a million times, options can be risky. So either click high or considerable. Click whichever one you want. Either one should be good, but just to be safe, just click high and yeah, you're chilling. And here it explains what high risk tolerance is. You can sustain a quick decrease in your value if the option moves down, you know. Yeah, it's not gonna move down though, right? It's fine. To the moon, bro. Trust. And now lastly, on this page, for the investment time frame, you're gonna click short, less than 4 years, because, well, with options, you're gonna buy and sell really quick. Okay, so now we're done with this page. Let's move on to the next one. Click continue, and just like that, you're gonna be approved for options. Now it is gonna take a while, like, I don't know, maybe around 3 or 5 business days to actually get approved, but once you sent it, well, you should be good. So now this is very important. Once you're applying, make sure you click the cash account instead of the margin account. Of course, you can always change this in the settings, but it's better to just do it in first place. Oh, by the way, this is very important as well, so pay attention. So since you have the cash account, make sure you don't spend more than the daily option buying power that you have. So if that made no sense, basically what I'm saying is if you go on your Webull account and go to the main page, it's gonna tell you your options buying power. So for example, let's say you have 500. If you have 500 options buying power, then make sure you don't spend more than that within a day. Now that $500 is gonna come back and be settled once again the very next day, but just make sure you're aware of how much buying power you currently have, and yeah, you'll be fine. So now let's go over how to set up your display and the interface thing, so that way you can be the most efficient basically, and you can have everything ready to trade and all of that. So we're gonna go over the desktop version super quick, and then I'll show you how to do it on mobile as well. Okay, so on the desktop, you're gonna click this plus button right there. It gives you a new board, and you're gonna click blank. Then you just click on this thing. It's gonna give you a bunch of stuff here, the widgets and the top right. So what you want is positions. Okay, grab that, then grab orders, put it in the corner somewhere here. We're gonna change it in a second. Then account details and watch list, you can have that, but I feel like it's gonna be overcrowded, so don't. Then click on stock. You're gonna want the chart, obviously, right? Put it here, make it a little bigger. Again, we're gonna adjust everything in a second. Then you want the trade button, so you can buy and all of that, right? Then of course you want the options chain, which is this thing right here, right? Because you're trading options, makes sense. That is basically all you need. So now how I like to rearrange it is put my positions down here, kind of at the bottom right here. Then my chart is gonna be of course the biggest, because well, you need to see. So kind of have it just chilling right here. Then the options chain, which is this thingy right here, I personally put it bottom left right here. You can kind of make it bigger, I guess, if you want, like that. Okay, and then you can make the positions thing smaller and grab your whatever this is, your orders, and also make it kind of smaller so it fits within the chart and everything, and kind of put it right above positions somewhere here. There we go. Make the options thing a little bigger. Boom, just like that. And there you go. That's it. You have your chart, you have your buying thingy where you can buy and sell. And there you go. You have everything you need. Now, this is very important, okay? You see this little gray thingy right here, right? Set as group. You click that and then make sure you group everything into the same group. So you can do group 1, group 2, group 3, doesn't matter. Just make sure everything is under the same one. So just select them and yeah, you'll be fine. So look, like if I type in, let's say, I don't know, Tesla, right? It's gonna change the option chain thingy for Tesla, and basically it just changes everything at the same time. Okay, and for mobile, well, you can't really make a custom thing. You just simply go to your watch list, go to the top right, click the search button and just search a stock. So like, let's say Apple. Yeah, you see the chart, you can click the options thingy right here, so you can trade it there. And yeah, you can't really customize it, which is kind of bad. That's why I like to do the desktop thingy. And then if you want all the call outs of what I'm buying and all of that, there's a link in the description as well, or on my Discord server. We recently brought a 300 account up to $1,000. So that was one of our challenges. The next challenge might be 500 to, I don't know how much we want, like 25,000 maybe eventually, maybe even higher. We'll see what we can do with that account. That's gonna be pretty fun. So again, if you want, just join below down below. What? Just join down below in the description. It's gonna be amazing. So that is basically all you need to know about how to set up your accounts and all of that. Hopefully this helped. If it did, I don't know, drop a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. And again, if you want to check out the Discord, down below in the description, or if you want the option alerts of exactly what I'm buying and exactly what I'm selling, well, again, down below in the description, check that out, or of course it's in the Discord server. And yeah, that's it. Peace out. And now we go gym.